30-mile coastline along the Aegean Sea, Sani Resort, member of Sani Ecos Group, stands as a sanctuary for diverse species, some of which are endangered. Committed to protecting the delicate ecosystem surrounding its hotels, Sani Resort works closely with scientific institutions and NGOs.
Biodiversity loss threatens our planet. Protecting Mediterranean fauna and flora is central to our sustainability goals and reflects our commitment to a healthier world. With ongoing initiatives and partnerships with experts, we aim to safeguard marine species in the Aegean, preserve pine forest and wetlands in Sani, and nurture bee colonies, among others.
In 2021, Sani Resort joined forces with the marine conservation organization iSea, launching the Thermikos Dolphin Project, the first systematic effort to monitor dolphin populations in the region. With support from Sani Resort, iSea departs from the Sani Marina to conduct weekly dolphin expeditions, compiling extensive catalogues for each species. Expanding its scope, the program has introduced educational and underwater trails aimed at monitoring biodiversity. Beyond research, the project also includes educational workshops at Sani Kids Club, offering children insights into cetaceans and Greece's rich yet vulnerable biodiversity. And now, a new endeavor is in progress. With the support of Sani Resort, iSea has established a specialized facility in Halkidiki to hatch rough ray eggs, furthering efforts to safeguard marine life in the region.
En el marco de nuestra colaboración a largo plazo con Sani Resort, este año, como proyecto piloto y por primera vez en Grecia, hemos creado las condiciones adecuadas para la incubación de huevos de raja rádula en acuarios. Estos huevos proceden de hembras de raya áspera, especie endémica en el Mediterráneo y en peligro crítico de extinción, que quedan atrapadas accidentalmente en las redes de pescadores en el norte del mar Egeo y que no sobreviven. Una vez nacidas las crías, serán liberadas a su hábitat natural, ayudando así a la recuperación de la especie y a la protección de la biodiversidad en el mar Mediterráneo.
Protecting our oceans and their priceless ecosystems is crucial for securing a sustainable future for generations ahead.